Good afternoon, everyone. Another box break guy here. Switching it up today. I actually have a retail box of Donruss Optic 2017-2018. I've been looking to get some basketball cards this year. I haven't really took the dive yet. I've been looking online. I usually hit up Steel City Collectibles, as you know. Sometimes David Adams Card World. And their hobby boxes were about $85, $90 for the Optic, which are guaranteed one autograph, just like the NFL ones. If you remember my videos, I think I had 4 autographs in each box. So I was looking to try to get a hobby box. I was actually around my LCS, which I'm not usually. It's about 40 minutes away from me. Was around that area. Figured, hey, let's stop in. They didn't have any hobby boxes. They did have this retail box, however, and it was a really good price, $50. I looked online, and it was actually cheaper than any price online. Where I'm sure their hobby box, if they had it in stock, would have been over $100, which would have been, again, cheaper to go through eBay or Steel City David Adams. But even Steel City David Adams, eBay were higher than this. So I figured $50, I'm going to go ahead and dive into the retail and give it a chance. So I'm not expecting an auto. Doesn't mean it's not going to be there. Not expecting this retail exclusive 101 black parallel either. But for me to not be disappointed, just trying to hit an okay rated rookie card. So that doesn't necessarily have to be a parallel rated rookie, but just any decent rookie in a rated rookie format, and I'll be pretty happy. So Donovan Mitchell, a Tatum, De'Aaron Fox, something like that. So let's see what we have, man. And I know I say it all the time. I should get something to cut these open with so they don't give me such a hard time. And I continue to come back with videos with me not being prepared to cut these open. Alright, so 20 packs, 4 cards a pack. Alright. First pack. Look at that, Jonathan Isaac. Not too bad. Not too bad of a rookie. This is the base rated rookie card. Amir Johnson. Hail Kings, Wilt Chamberlain. That is a nice looking card. Non-numbered. I believe the box said 1 non-base card on average per pack, so it's not too bad. And Jeremy Lamb. Darius Thornwell, another rated rookie. So maybe we're going to get hit one of these each pack. That'd be pretty cool, even if they are the base non-numbered. Tyler Ulis, Kyle Kuzma, rookie Kings. Also another nice looking card. Prism, but non-numbered. But as with the football, with these prisms, you're going to get that bend in the cards. Andrew Wiggins. Tony Bradley. Rodney Hood. A hollow of Jordan Bell. Prism, so not a hollow, so non-numbered, but a prism nonetheless. And Stephen Curry. Josh Jackson, number 4 overall pick, I believe. Damian Lillard. And is this our first numbered? Kawhi Leonard, purple. No, non-numbered. Just Prism. Finish off with Malcolm Delaney. Zhu Yi, Houston Rockets. Markieff Morris. Court Kings, Harrison Barnes. And finishing off with a Gallinari. Caleb Swanigan. Jonta Murray. Rookie Kings, Malik Monk. These Rookie Kings are sharp looking. Sharp looking cards. Oh, numbered. Look at that. 42 to 85. There we go. Maybe I was mistaken. Maybe the other ones were numbered? They were not. So yeah, first numbered card. 42 of 85. Malik Monk. Marc Gasol. Lonzo Ball. Rated rookie. Ben Simmons. Not a rookie, but it's still Ben Simmons. So that's nice. Hall Kings, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. That's what's cool about this set. Even the inserts are cool looking. So even when you don't get an auto, you shouldn't feel too bad if you get some nice nice inserts. J.R. Smith, especially in a retail product. Wayne Selden, Kyle Lowry, Court Kings, Hassan Whiteside. Finishing off with the 38-year-old Jamal Crawford. Got 12 packs left. Tyler Lydon, Devin Booker, Hall Kings, JoJo White, and Stanley Johnson. Ivan Rabb, Alec Burks, Rookie Kings, DJ Wilson, Tayshaun Prince, or Taurean Prince, sorry. Tayshaun Prince has been out of the league for a while. Markelle Fultz, #1 overall pick. Alfred Payton. And here's our first rated rookie. That's going to be a parallel. Frank Mason III. Purple. Nah, it's just a prism. So my mistake. I mean, I guess you could still consider it a parallel. But non-numbered. Purple prism. Patrick Beverly. So I think we have two. We had another one that was a prism that was not purple. Don't know where I put that one. Over here. Unless I'm just totally off and no idea what I'm talking about. I thought we had a hollow rated rookie in here. Here it is. The Jordan Bell. So, the prisms. Let's keep them separated for the recap at the end. Gershon Yusuf, Kawhi Leonard, Court Kings Isaiah Thomas. Talk about someone who fell off the map. Not even on the Cavs anymore and didn't really play at all. Nice looking card though. Dwight Howard. Anubi. J.J. Redick. J.R. Smith. Prism. And Tobias Harris. Tyler Dorsey. Signature Series. Alec Peters. So, not a star, but a signature nonetheless in a retail pack that's otherwise non-guaranteed to get a signature. So, pretty sweet. Signature Series Alec Peters. Yeah. Plus a prism of Markieff Morris. That's kind of cool. So you still get the prism even if you get the signature in there, the auto in there. And Herman Gomez. Sticker auto though. Serge Ibaka. Harry Giles. Rated rookie was second in this pack. And Rookie Kings De'Aaron Fox. And then a Sabonis. Five packs to go. Kyle Kuzma. Pascal Siakam. Harry Giles, Rookie Kings. James Johnson. So far not too bad as far as the rated rookies go. I was hoping to pull a Tatum or Mitchell, even if it was base rated rookie. I don't think I've had doubles on the rated rookies, which has been pretty sweet. There you go, Tatum. I guess asking you shall receive. That is a nice looking card. Marquise Chris. Court Kings, Dwayne Wade. Also in the Cavaliers uniform. Fish off with Courtney Lee. 3 packs to go. Can we pull a Mitchell? Dylan Brooks. Rudy Gobert. Court Kings. Kristaps Porzingis. Miles Turner. I've already butchered some other names. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that one. But rated rookie. Alfu Camino. Goran Dragic. Purple Prism. Kemba Walker. Last pack. Frank Jackson. So no Donovan Mitchell in this box. Delon Wright. Court Kings Anthony Davis. Then Harrison Barnes. So that's it. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Each pack had a rated rookie in there. Awesome. No duplicates, so that's exciting. Also had 2 Prism rated rookies. Regular Prism, Jordan Bell, non-numbered. And then Purple Prism, Frank Mason, also non-numbered. So 22 rated rookies in all. Again, each pack giving you an insert as well. So we have Court Kings in here. We have Prism Parallels of base cards. Some of the Court Kings are non-prisms. Then you have a prism like Dwayne Wade. Some rookie prisms in there, looking pretty sweet. Some Hail Kings prisms. Again, these inserts are good. So this is a product that's probably best to chase for the parallels and inserts than the autographs themselves, especially since if you get the hobby, you're only guaranteed 1 autograph. And then here's my only numbered card. Rookie Kings Malik Monk. 42 of 85. Then we also got 1 auto. Alec Peters. Again, not promised to get one, and we got one anyway, so not too shabby. Again, for $50 wasn't bad. And got the Tatum. Did get the Tatum, did pull the Tatum rated rookie. So, pretty happy about that. No 1-on-1s and no numbered rated rookies, but overall not too bad for $50. I wouldn't go crazy money-wise on this product, on hobby or retail. But if you can get it on sale like I did, I mean, give it a try. I think it could be worth it, and it's definitely fun to break in some nice rookies in this class. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Have a good one.